Let's review our rhythms. Do you know what this means when you see this? This tells you there will be 4 beats in each one of those boxes. Those boxes are not called boxes, right? They are called measures. So this means 4 beats in a measure. Can you say that? Say that with me. 4 beats in a measure. Now, if you see this, that will mean there's going to be 3 beats in a measure. So you count 1, 2, 3, you close your box, right? You close your measure. And this means there will be 2 beats in each measure. Why is that important? That changes how you feel the music. The music will feel different if you have 4 or 3 or 2 beats in each measure. Let's see how it feels. If you have 4 beats in a measure, it will sound like this. Beat 1 is always strong. So I'll count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Can you count with me like this? Count to 4, do the 1 on your lap, and then count to 4. Do it with me. Ready? Here we go. 1. Can you feel that? That's how 4 beats in a measure feel. That's how your music will feel. 2. And stop. So that's how it feels. Let's see how 3 beats in a measure will feel. It will feel different. Do the 1 here and then just do 3. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you feel how it feels different? This music will be very different. And stop. Now let's do 2 beats in a measure, okay? Let's see how that feels. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1. And stop. So these ones are called time signature. It tells you how is your music going to be organized. 4 beats in a measure, 3 beats in a measure, 2 beats in a measure. When you read music, when you see a music, you always look at the beginning. They always tell you how many beats will you have in each one of those boxes, of those measures. Now let's review the rhythms. So who is this one? Don't say walk anymore. Let's say quarter notes. How many beats does it take? 1. And this is the rest, right? This is a quarter note. This is a quarter rest. This is 1 beat where you play, 1 beat when you don't play, when you're quiet. Quarter note, quarter rest. Then we have these ones. What are these ones? Yes, I call them run, run, but the real name is 8 notes. 2 8 notes together will take 1 beat. Now, if you just see one of these, that's just 1 8 note by itself. Run. This is run, run, run. 1 8 note by itself will take only half of the beat. Just run. And then we have these ones. This is called an 8th rest. It's a little rest that just takes half of the beat. You usually see them like this together. So instead of saying run, run, you will say run, run, run. That's the hiccup rhythm. So I go run, run, run. So what's this? 8 rest. Then do you remember this one? When it has no color, it's half note. How many beats will it take? 2 beats. Half note. And if you see this one, the one that looks like a hat, that's a half rest. Half note, half rest. 2 beats where you play, 2 beats where you're quiet. This one is like shh, shh. And then we have whole note. That takes 4 beats. And if you see that little hat upside down, that's a whole rest. Remember, it looks like a hole in the ground, like somebody goes walking, la 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 la. Oops, I fell on the hole on the ground. So when it looks like a hole in the ground, it's a whole rest. That means you have to be quiet for 4 beats. Shh, 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 shh. This is 4 beats. This one is 4 beats. Whole note, whole rest. Now I'll quiz you. Let's see if you know the answers, okay? Quickly tell me, what's this one? Eighth note. How about this one? Half note. How about this one? Eighth note. Two eighth notes together. What's that? Eighth rest. Half note. What's that one? Half rest. Whole rest. Whole note. Quarter note. Quarter rest. 4 beats in a measure. 3 beats in a measure. 2 beats in a measure.